I really just wanted today's video, because of the feedback we've been getting from customers, just to show people, what the size difference is, so they visibly can see, okay, this is an 80, this is a 60. Because when you're looking at something on our website, as good as our website is, or good as any website is, it's hard to visualize. There's no better way to visualize than if I show you like this. Look at a 100mm versus a 60. You know what I mean? The difference is epic. And even if you take the 80mm and you put it next to the 100mm, look at the difference. It's 2 centimeters, right? So psychologically, it doesn't sound like a lot. Oh, 8 centimeters or 80mm versus 10. So it sounds like, oh, it's just, what's 2 centimeters? But when you actually see them next to each other, because it's 2 centimeters all the way around, it becomes a big difference. 60 to 80, 80 to 100, the differences are dramatic. Even if you look at like I said, the entry level people that are first starting out, they're asking, do I get a 60mm? Look at a 60mm. It's great, but like I said, if you don't have if you don't have a lens ball, definitely go for an 80. You can already see the effect that we're getting with the crystal case and the crystal stand, in that. But you can capture more.